Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment, we have this LED headband that I got from Temu. It's a pretty good LED light. I'll go into more details in just a moment. I just want to quickly have a quick talk about the setup in the background. As you can see, I've moved things around, made the signs a bit neater and tidier. And we've also, just up here that you won't see very often, is a shot of some of the lovely items I've been sent. Now back to the headlamp itself. And yeah, it's quite a good headlamp. This I got it from Temu, it's part of one of my tool hauls. It's a USB-C rechargeable one, so let me quickly pop this out. Just a little rubber stopper to stop moisture getting in there. And yeah, it's pretty handy. Fairly bright, let me quickly turn it on. You can see, not bad at all. It's got a party feature of a sensor on it, so if you press this button here, it will turn into sensor mode, and then with a flick, you can turn it on and off, which is pretty effective. It's quite sensitive, you can see. It works pretty well, pretty effective. It's got 3 brightnesses on it, but I'll show you those in a moment. I'll turn the main light off, and then we can have a proper look at it. So here we are in the dark now, so let me quickly press the button, and we'll turn it on. You can see it's fairly bright. This is on full brightness. If you tap the button again, it'll move over to a more of a spotlight light, which is pretty effective. We've also got a dimmer version of that, and then we also have this, the full beam, and then this is the low beam, and then we move over to the spotlight, and that's high beam and low beam. And if you hold the button, you get a strobing effect, which I'll turn off because that's not going to be very nice in the camera. And yeah, I'm sorry if I was a bit jarring, but we'll quickly flick the lights back on and carry on. And this is the side where all the buttons and controls are, like I've shown you, so I'll just give you a bit of a close up. You can see you've got an on button which turns the power on, and this is the button to activate the sensor. And then this is a little sensor part where the light comes on and off. You see it's fairly sensitive, until it doesn't want to be, which is typical. But good distance about there, and you can see it works pretty well. It's great for when you need hands-free stuff, like when you need to keep both hands free, you don't want to be holding a torch. And I said it fits very comfortably. Let me turn it off. Yeah, fits very comfortably, as you very easily adjust headband. Pretty nice and sturdy. So my final thoughts on this headlamp. I really like it. I was quite sceptical when I got it from Temu, but it's actually a really nice product. Fits comfortably. I've used it a fair bit. The battery lasts quite a while. As you'd expect, it lasts longer on high than it does low. Oh, sorry, low than high, should I say. Got that mixed up the wrong way around. Yeah, I'm going to give it a 3-spanner rating. So that should pop up just here. The only gripe I have is the sensor is a bit too sensitive sometimes. If you brush past something, it will turn itself off or on. But apart from that, good little light. If you use Temu, I recommend searching these up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.